Dry. A person that supported prohibition, including the Women's Temperance Union and many Christian organizations such as the Anti-Saloon League. Anti-Saloon League. A mostly Christian organization that tried to convince Congress to ban alcohol by using arguments linked to religion and morality. Women's Temperance Union. An organization which pressured Congress into banning alcohol based on arguments linking to men's poor moral behavior when under the influence of alcohol. Wets. A person that did not support prohibition. 18th Amendment. Passed on January 16, 1919, this prohibited the manufacture, sale, and distribution of alcoholic beverages within the United States. Volstead Act. A bill ratified by Congress in July 1919 to give police the powers to enforce the 18th Amendment. The federal enforcement began in 1920. Enforcement. The act of enforcing or compelling to obey. Prohibition Agent. A police officer specializing in the enforcement of the 18th Amendment. Many of the 3,000 were corrupt or didn't enforce prohibition properly, but a few such as Elliot Ness, Izzy and Moe and Two Guns Hart were known for ruthlessly upholding the law. Repeal. To cancel or withdraw a law. Ratified. To approve and give formal sanction to confirm a law. Congressman. A person who serves in the lawmaking body called the Congress. Smuggling. The act of illegally importing or exporting goods. Bootlegger. Someone who makes or sells illegal liquor. William McCoy is a famous bootlegger who smuggled $70 million plus of liquor from Canada into the U.S. Speakeasies. Illegal hidden bars, often behind secret doors or in basements where people went to drink during Prohibition. Police officers could often be found drinking in the same places as criminals, gang members and ordinary people. Moonshine. Illegal liquor brewed by amateurs and gangs, which was drank by many people. If a batch wasn't brewed correctly, it could cause blindness or death. Association against the Prohibition Amendment. The AAPA pressured Congress to end prohibition using arguments about the economy and saying that it was against the right of Americans to choose.